China is a key manufacturing hub for floor drains globally, with many well-known manufacturers offering high-quality products widely used in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Below are 5 prominent floor drain manufacturers in China, along with their flagship products and features.
1. JOM. Flagship Products. High-end stainless steel floor drains, smart floor drains, anti-odor floor drains. Features. Quality assurance. JOM is a well-known bathroom brand in China, committed to long-term research and innovation with consistent product quality. Anti-odor design. Their anti-odor floor drains feature a unique sealing design that effectively prevents odor backflow. Eco-friendly materials. Most of their floor drains are made from eco-friendly stainless steel and aluminum alloy, which are corrosion-resistant and durable, ideal for humid environments. Smart features. Some high-end products are equipped with smart sensing functions, which automatically adjust water flow and drainage volume, enhancing user experience.
2. Mway. Flagship Products. Chrome-plated floor drains, stainless steel concealed floor drains, bathroom floor drains. Features. High-end materials. Mway floor drains use high corrosion-resistant materials, like 304 stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and aesthetic appeal. Innovative design. Their products are designed to match modern bathroom styles, featuring a concealed floor drain series that is simple and aesthetically pleasing. Anti-blockage function. Some models are designed to prevent blockages, reducing the accumulation of hair and debris, making maintenance easier. Global clientele. With customers across over 100 countries, Mway is recognized for its focus on market development and quality improvement.
3. Heji. Flagship Products. Ceramic floor drains, concealed floor drains, smart floor drains. Features. Unique ceramic design. Heji ceramic floor drains combine advanced manufacturing techniques and elegant design, making them suitable for various bathroom styles. Easy maintenance. The smooth surface of their floor drains is easy to clean, resistant to dirt and corrosion. Technological innovation. Their smart floor drain series includes automatic cleaning and odor sensing features, improving overall user experience. Anti-odor design. Heji's anti-odor floor drains utilize an air seal mechanism to effectively prevent odors from returning, making them ideal for damp environments.
4. Arrow. Flagship Products. Anti-odor floor drains, concealed floor drains, kitchen floor drains. Features. Effective anti-odor. Arrow's floor drains are highly praised for their anti-odor design, using a dual water seal and air seal to ensure no odor leakage. Concealed design. They offer concealed floor drains that sit flush with the floor after installation, providing an aesthetic and space-saving solution. Specialized kitchen floor drains. Their kitchen floor drains are designed with stronger drainage capabilities to handle oil, grease, and debris common in kitchen environments. Durability. Arrow floor drains are made from high-quality stainless steel, making them resistant to wear and corrosion, suitable for long-term use. 5. Submarine. Flagship Products. Stainless steel floor drains, brass floor drains, bathroom floor drains. Features. Global recognition. Submarine is a globally recognized bathroom brand, known for its high-quality floor drains, making it the preferred choice for many high-end building projects. Exquisite craftsmanship. Submarine floor drains are made with strict manufacturing processes, ensuring precision and high drainage performance. Eco-friendly design. Their products are made from environmentally friendly materials, meeting various global environmental certification standards. Innovative functions. Submarine floor drains come with unique drainage control systems that effectively prevent backflow and odor emission.
Summary. These floor drain manufacturers and brands offer products with distinct features to meet different market needs. From high-end stainless steel, ceramics, smart anti-odor and concealed designs, their products excel in quality, innovation, functionality, and environmental sustainability. Consumers can select the most suitable brand and product based on their specific requirements and design preferences.